Good morning. We are looking at some conditions today that are going to be rather quiet, I would say, for us here in the valley, at least to start off this morning before things do change coming up here in the planner. We can expect to see some of those clouds that are now overhead to just basically take over for the valley, and expect the chances for some rain and some snow to increase too, but it may not be until a lot later for some of us. Now, of course, if you are in our western viewing area, you can see it's a different story for you. We've got some areas of some snow in central parts of Bismarck, or the state rather, but Minot and Bismarck seeing that, but some snow starting to move east of there, getting close to our western viewing area here this morning. So watching out for that as this next system begins to work its way through. It's going to be a slow mover, so we're looking at the potential for that snow to gradually, and rain to gradually increase and eventually gradually move out of here too. So it's going to be with us a little bit. So again, today, slowly we're seeing things kind of deteriorate as we head through the day. Our temperatures are into the 20s and 30s. It's 25 in Grand Forks, 31 in Fargo. And our visibility looks pretty good in the Central Valley. We do have a little lowering in Baudette, and one spot out west where it's quite low at a quarter mile in Carrington. Our winds are out of the east, if we have any wind, and it's less than 10 miles per hour. Now looking at your hour-by-hour planner, where we've got some mostly cloudy skies and that chance for precip just slowly moving in. So if you're out by Devil's Lake, the James River Valley, you're going to see this move in first, and gradually that will move eastward. Notice how it's taking its time. Even around noon, most of us still on the dry side, and we're even seeing some rain down into northeastern South Dakota and surrounding areas. But gradually heading into the rest of the afternoon hours, more chances for moisture, and because our temperatures will be a little milder in the afternoon, it may be in the form of rain for most of us at that point in time. Now heading east and heading into the nighttime hours, that rain gradually switching over to a little bit of snow, and we're looking at that basically impacting us tomorrow morning. So 24 hours from now, we're still being impacted by this system. We're still getting that snow in our eastern viewing area. And then we're looking at the wraparound moisture with this moving through. So by noon, we're seeing that snow move into the northern valley, and then that starts to drop into the southern valley as we head into the afternoon and evening hours. So there may be some big breaks between rounds of rain and or snow, but the potential will be there as we head into the rest of the forecast here for not only today, but into Tuesday. You could see those snow showers still ongoing for Tuesday, with temperatures that'll be starting to cool down heading into the second day of the week. Here's a look at your photo today. Sunset and clouds, nice orange scene, looking very Halloween-like still in this photo. This is in Thompson. Thanks, Bruce, for sharing that with us. And here's a look at your 7-day planner. So again, today, the first half of the day for most of us should be quiet. Even in the second half, it depends on where you are. If you're in the east, it might take a long time before you see a chance for some rain and snow, but gradually this will be moving through and sticking around into Tuesday. We're looking at some scattered areas of snow. I did not mention this, but we do have a chance for some strong winds too. So anywhere where the snow is coming down, we're looking at an issue with visibility too. Of course, that's happening on election day, so that may have an impact on you getting to where you need to be visibility wise. We're looking at Wednesday, that shower activity starting to wind down, and then the second half of the week quieter but much colder. Check out our high temperatures Thursday and into Friday, some upper 20s for your highs. So we're going to spend several days below the freezing mark toward the end of the week, and then heading into the weekend looking a little bit better, some low to mid 30s, and at this point we're looking pretty quiet.
Thank you, Lisa. Coming up next on the Valley Today, we'll show you some at-home crafts to help make your Thanksgiving a little more festive.